Replacing the familiar Google Assistant with Gemini AI on many Android devices, Google has decided to kill the former. Google Assistant, which was announced in 2016, while Google believed it is a capable assistant, the company has been hearing from people that they want a more personalized companion that can help get more work done. Gemini is an AI assistant that is built from scratch with advanced language understanding and reasoning. Google had published a blog spot today saying that Google Assistant is being retired to make Gemini the only option available so that you can get the kind of help only possible with the power of AI. Google reiterates that an assistant should have contextual awareness and be uniquely helpful to you. It should have no problem in interacting with the apps and services you use. Google Assistant will not rise up to the challenge. This is not a sudden change, as Google said millions of people have started using Gemini, and the feedback it has received is positive. That way, it wants more people to have an enhanced experience instead of sticking with Google Assistant. The company will upgrade more phones from Assistant to Gemini over the upcoming months. Right now, you can have a liberty of switching back to Google Assistant, but later this year, it will cease to be an option.